Whoa! Whoa! Woo! Look, I'm surfing it! Oh, well, well, well. What do we have here? A space pickle jar? Hey! Sugar, do I look like a pickle to you? Okay, fair point. But what in cosmic calamity are you doing in there? Oh, you know, just chilling in my luxury suite. If luxury meant being stuck in a bottle for who knows how long! How'd you even get in there? A series of fabulous but unfortunate events.
Pew, 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 pew.
Now, how about you let a lady out so I can stretch my wheels? I don't know. Usually when you let someone out of a bottle, they gotta grant you 3 wishes. Oh, honey, I don't do wishes. I do razzle-dazzle. And trust me, that's way better. Ha! All right, so you're telling me you ain't no wish-granting genie. Honey, do I look like I pop out of bottles to make dreams come true? Well, you did pop out of a bottle. Kinda. And you do got that whole mystical glow thing going on. Listen, sugar, I don't do wishes, but I do a mean moonwalk. Wait a minute. What if you are a genie and you just don't know it? Maybe you got amnesia. Maybe you hit your head on a cosmic disco ball and forgot all about your wish-making ways. What? Oh, darling, that is rich. You really think I got wish-granting amnesia? Hey, space is weird. Stranger things have happened. All right, let's test it. If you are a genie, then maybe you can grant me just one teeny little wish. All right, sugar. What's your wish? I wish for a triple layer cosmic chocolate cake with a caramel lava core and sprinkles made from real stardust. Oh, honey, that I can make. What the? Oh my, that ain't a cake. My bad, sugar. I guess I ain't a genie after all. But hey, it jiggles real nice. This is bullshit. Nah, honey, this is hilarious. So, how about you let me out of here before I grant you another special surprise? All right, you big blue showboat. I'll let you out before you grant me something worse, like a space tornado made of whipped cream. All right. Let's try this the old-fashioned way. hands. Whoa! Ah! Ta-da! Ta-da-da-da! 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 Ta-da! Whew. You sure you ain't got magic? This ain't magic. This is style. Now that I'm free, sugar, tell me something. Where exactly are we going? Well, I was looking for my friends, but now I got a sparkly stowaway. Oh, baby, you ain't got a stowaway, you got a sidekick. Oh? Sweet caramel calamity. I don't know.